Here we come to the elevator to Building R at Pima Community College West Campus in Tucson, Arizona. This has been modernized. It's got a rear door. GAL interlock. Alright, let's go down to G. And the door closes when you push the button. This only goes down a couple feet. Yeah, this only goes down a couple feet. Yeah. Actually, this goes down a little bit farther than I expected. Let's listen to the motor. This thing is low on fluid. Let's go down to G. And we'll get our cat view. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1, R1. Button goes out. Very nice cab. And we'll end it up at 1. We will ring the bell down here. Call button's over here. Innovation. Oh, it's going. Alright. Now we'll go up to T. We'll go up to 1, and we'll listen to the motor. It's low on fluid. It didn't do it that time. Weird. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.